What is value? We aren't talking about money, we're talking about color. What is value? Value refers to the lightness or darkness of a color, lighter, darker. Paint chips show a range of colors and values. Value. When you add white to a color, it is called a tint. Blue plus white equals tint, light blue. When you add black to a color, it is called a shade. Blue plus black equals shade. Show me a tint. Show me a shade. Here we have all the tints and shades in a color wheel. How did the artist do it? Tint or shade? How did the artist do it? Paint a white circle. Add a touch of blue paint to your white and mix. Paint a light blue circle around your white circle. Add a touch more blue to paint your light blue paint and mix. Paint another slightly darker circle around your light blue circle. Repeat until your page is filled with concentric circles. So how did the artist do it? By creating tints of the color blue, adding a horizon line and ground. Which picture looks like it has more space? The one on the right. What makes it look that way? A higher horizon line. Objects that are closer are larger. Objects that are further away are smaller. Objects that are closer are lower on the page. Objects that are farther away are closer to the horizon line. Adding highlights, shadows to snowmen to create form. Both of these objects below are being projected onto the board, therefore they are both flat. You cannot pick up either. So why does the object on the right look 3D? What does the form have that the shape doesn't? 2D shape is a circle, the 3D form is a sphere. Notice how the use of highlights, tints, and shadows, shades, can create the illusion of depth when placed correctly. Remember, highlights do not have to be just white. Shadows do not have to be just black. The sun is the light source in this picture. Notice how the highlight on the moon appears on the side facing the light source, while the shadow is on the opposite side. Cast shadows. A cast shadow is created on the surface next to an object that blocks light. Is this a form shadow or a cast shadow? What is the light source on our artwork? Where should highlights and shadows appear? Where should cast shadows appear? You can see that the cast shadow is on the ground. What is the light source in our artwork? Where should highlights and shadows appear? Where should cast shadows appear? Good job.